From him, his introduction.
He gave your introduction.
Little louder, louder.
Good morning everyone. I am Sushant Kumar Yadav and I am the student of RD classes and my father's name is Sri Ind Kumar Yadav and my mother's name is Srimati Meera Devi. I live at Ladanya Madhubani India. That's all.
Okay. Now go ahead, please.
What do you think about this coaching? This coaching is very good and this coaching is very good for learning English and this is only one coaching in Ladanya which
Very good.
taught English.
Teach English. Very good. Okay. Okay, you can make sentence with should, right? Like if you have to tell all the people, okay, come and join. So how would you say this? So okay, ask him something else.
What do you think about
Louder.
Abhishek sir?
Okay, tell me.
Abhishek sir is very good sir
Okay.
and he is intelligent in English subject
Okay.
and he is intelligent in all subjects but he is more intelligent in English
Okay, that's good.
and he
Teaches?
he teaches English in Ladanya and he opened one coaching and he want to open many coaching.
Okay, that's good. This was a good answer. Now,
Do you want to tell people to come in this coaching?
do you want to tell people to come this
Yeah,
coaching?
I want to tell people for learning English in this coaching. But many people study in this coaching and many people do not want to study in this coaching.
And can you tell me why?
Because English is very
Hard?
English is very easy,
Okay.
but many students
Think?
think English is very hard.
Okay, that's good.
That's why many people do not
Want to?
want to study English.
Okay, that's really nice. And now you're going so well. Now, go ahead. Ask another question.
Why do you join this coaching? Because I do not know Abhishek sir teach English, but my uncle
Told me?
told me Abhishek sir teach English. That's why I came in this coaching and I teach English.
I am
I
learning English.
learn English.
Very good. Now you're going so nice. Go ahead. Any question? Like, what will you do after this? Like, whatever you want to ask this, you can ask.
Who is your best friend? I have many friends, but I have only 3 friends, best friends.
3 best friends. Good.
Best friend.
Okay.
And its name is
Their name is?
and their name is Amantesri, Satyam, and Ansu.
Oh, that's good.
Prince is not your best friend. Prince is my
Friend,
friend,
but not best friend.
but not best friend.
Okay. And why they are your best friend? And what do you like about your best friend? तुमको अपने दोस्त के बारे में क्या अच्छा लगता है?
My best friend like Satyam, Aman, Ansu gives party anytime.
Oh, every time. And they gives you party. They give you party, and this is the reason you like them.
And my best friend is very
Honest.
honest person.
Okay, very good.
Do you want to tell me something about your brother? Yeah, next before this Sunday
Before this Sunday means last Sunday.
last Sunday
Okay.
I told about my brother. That's
Okay.
why I do not want to speak about my brother.
Again. Wow, good. Going so nice.
I have a question. Why do you not like him then?
I like my brother, but
What?
but I do not want to speak my brother.
About your brother, with your brother. Okay. I give you an offer to speak with your brother, but you, yes?
He do not.
He does not? Huh? You don't like him?
Yeah, I like him, but he do not like me.
Oh, he does not like you. Okay, okay, that's good. So, okay, that's all. Okay, so now you ask him another question.
What do you want to become in your future?
I want to become a good and honest doctor.
Doctor.
And
Very good.
and I want to open one hospital.
Where? Here in Lavania?
Yeah,
कि
and
कहीं और खोलेगा?
very big hospital.
वेरी बिग हॉस्पिटल यहाँ खोलेगा कहीं और खोलेगा?
Many
Many places. अलादनियों में
Yeah.
फ्री इलाज करेगा ना?
in Ladanya.
हाँ?
I
This will be
I
free.
will do free
Free treatment. Okay. Wow, that's good.
because poor family.
Huh?
I will do free
For free. I will do it for free.
and
For rich family,
for rich family I will
take money.
no I will also do free life.
Oh, free treatment.
Free treatment and
And different places,
different
Other places?
I will
charge money.
I will charge.
Okay. You are such a good man, such a good speaker you are becoming, and I'm proud of you. Okay, go ahead. Keep asking him.
What will you do after coaching?
I will go from coaching.
Mhm.
After that I will go for play cricket.
For playing cricket?
For playing
To play. You just said to play. I will go to play cricket.
Play cricket. And then I will eat breakfast. Then I will sit for a study.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that I will watch mobile for some time.
Okay, for some time. Or
Then-
play Free Fire. Or play Free Fire. Ah, don't lie. No lie. You're lying. You don't play Free Fire? Okay.
I leave Free Fire.
You stop playing Free Fire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometime I play.
Okay. Sometime you play. Okay, good.
Not daily.
And do you use Instagram? Instagram?
Yeah.
So why don't you come live on Instagram?
Because I sleep.
Oh, sleep. Okay, that's good. Okay, so next question.
In night because I sleep in night at 9 p.m.
Okay.
Because I have to wake up in morning.
Wake up in
early.
morning early. Wow, good man.
Because my school is
Now,
Oh.
it is your holiday.
yeah holiday now holiday.
It's holiday. Wow.
From today till 4
Till is okay.
4 July.
4 July. Okay, from today till.
4 July.
Wow, सही बोल रहा है. Wow, तुम सही से जा रहा है. I'm proud of you. Again. Go ahead. Keep asking.
Homework? What holiday homework?
Yeah, I दिया गया.
दिया गया ना? किसे बनेगा सेंटेंस? Was where भीतरी? We were given a lot of homeworks.
I was
Given
given homework from sir
by sir.
by sir many.
Oh, by all the teachers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay, look, I have one question. So tell me again the same thing. So, do any teacher, I mean, among all the teacher, who speaks in English with you?
English Segar sir
Okay.
and Beg sir
Okay.
and principal sir.
They speak in English with you.
Principal sir.
Okay.
Not principal sir do not speak with me because principal sir do not know I speak in English.
Okay, that's good. Then Segar sir speaks in English with you.
Vivek Jha sir also speak in English.
Used to speak.
Used to speak in English, but he stopped speaking.
He left the school. Okay, and what about Vivek Sharma?
Vivek Sharma sir also speak in English.
It's in English. Wow.
Anytime not.
Not every time,
Not every
but sometime. But you can speak, right? Oh, that's good. Now you go ahead, ask me. And he's answering so well, so nicely. Go ahead. What do you think about her?
I do not want to speak.
About this thing, okay.
No.
What?
I do not want to speak.
You don't want to?
Speak.
What do you mean?
About me.
No. In
video.
Oh, okay. So you want to speak about her, but not.
That's all.
Okay, that's all. Okay, you can say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.